Hello? Yeah, we ate that. Thank you. Bye. Girl, what's up, cousins? Yo, who is ready to add to their skincare routine? Me. Me. So it's fall winter and the name of the game is hydration, correction, application. Okay, I'm just here to share with y'all what I'm adding this fall winter, and it's from Topicals. Just pause for applause. Yeah, so moving on. That being said, the holy grail is here. It has shown up. I'm about to show you how I use the topical products and how you will be using them this fall winter. We're gonna start off with our normal go-to, which is cleansing. What you do first, you cleanse. If you got makeup on, you gonna pre-cleanse. Okay, take that makeup off and we're gonna start with a fresh new base. I'm not your mother. I am mother. I'm not sure, so if you wanna take the mother's advice, okay. Okay, so we're gonna start by cleansing. I don't know what your favorite cleanser is, but choose it, pick it up. It's your baby, it's your go-to. The water's running, it's getting warm. Get the temperature right, open up the pores, alright? Not gonna lie, I don't know the last time I did my skincare routine with my ring light in the bathroom. I'm feeling real calm, you know? Y'all are getting the works. And for me, honestly, it's like lately the dryness, the intermittent dryness of my skin is what I'm looking out for fall winter. Like, yes, we cleanse, we tone, we do what we have to do, but we cannot help nature. So we just be prepared. And that's when you need to cut my lights off. I mean, can we maybe get a topicals cleanser one day? You think that's something we can get? I would be extremely interested to see what topicals would do with a cleanser. Cause no shade, y'all got something. Y'all ready? Y'all, you know, topicals is known for ingredients, so I'm curious. I'm curious. Okay, so I do have this. We're going to use this brightening serum by Topicals. Fade it. Pop that baby off. Sexy. Let me tone real fast. Oh! Getting off that lasting debris. We've toned. Copy, copy. So now we're gonna go ahead and use Miss Mama's. Use once a week to start. Yeah, a little bit more just because I didn't need that much. But you know when a product feels so good, it's like you just wanna rub your whole body down in it. Ooh, great consistency. Not I did get brighter. Not even the camera got brighter. Yummy. I like how that finish. I like that finish now. Okay, okay, cute. I'm just gonna use a hydrating serum real quick to just complement the evenness. Yeah. It's like the consistency of the topical serum is like, you get it, like it's working, it's clocked in. Me personally now, I use my niacinamide. Also, can't wait for Topicals to make one of those. Like I feel like I see it. I see the vision. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And I'm just here watching and copping. Faded mask, it says. Brightens, hydrates, depuffs. Okay. Fade the look of discoloration while depuffing your under eyes. This under eye mask is packed with actives that let you kick back and let your dark circles get away. I ain't gonna front, I'm getting up there. So, you know, it's nothing to me. And it says to follow up with best results with Miss Mama's. I feel like sometimes, maybe it's just me, the cold's coming from inside the house, that we don't pay enough attention to under eye hydration care if we feel it's not like our target area. And then one day it's gonna become a target area. Who wanna get ready when you can stay ready? Somehow it's cooling, or maybe, you know, it's just the weather outside. Maybe I'm just a hot bitch. 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Oh, for stubborn discoloration, you follow up with the serum. But I'm gonna use that anyway, because that's how I am. You ain't gotta double check to see if you look crazy. I'm gonna kill my mom. I don't see no puffs. Puff the magic dragon, don't live here. Just gonna finish off with my regular serums real quick. The radiance is radiating, you feel me? The foundation, nah, I still feel the brightening and clearing serum. Like, I really enjoy the texture of it. Is what I'm trying to say. So now we're gonna just let this dry down a bit because I'm fiending to try. Like I said, I have this in the mask. Love, adore. OD fiending to try the mist. Green tea. Some other names I can't pronounce that look good. My skin is a combination, meaning for me it means in the full winter it's gonna act up. It's gonna act like it's dry for some reason. It's just gonna act like it just don't know its roots and don't want to be moisturized and don't want to hold no moisture sometimes. I do have some bad practices, but that's for another day. The solution to dry, sensitive, and stressed out skin. Help hydrate, soothe irritation, and defend against daily damage that I'm doing in hard to reach places. Packed with powerful botanicals. Mist helps infuse and restore, keeping flare-ups at bay. The skin so smooth, it's like butter. What it does, smooths, hydrates, restores, and mist daily AM to PM. Only onto cleansed dry skin. Let it dry before using moisturizer. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just letting this dry down a bit. I think it's dried down. Am I fiending? I'm fiending. I'm fiending. I wanna crack her open. I'm fiending. Ooh, I wanted this so bad. Do we feel dried down? It's as dried down as I'm gonna allow it to be. You ready? I didn't hear a yes. Let me Imagine restoring, like, oh God, yes. And then when you let it dry down and then you put on your moisturizer. Fall, winter ain't got nothing on me, honestly. Lovely. And just gonna use what I've been using as moisturizer. Ooh, a Topicals SPF. Are y'all hearing something? I'm hearing it. Oh my God, my skin feels decadent. So now, as the lasting tip, what I'm gonna use is my beloved boo Slather. Slather has been eating up all my like textured skin that's been on my chest and on my back. It's not back knee per se, but it's textured, and this has been like exfoliating dense skin and clogged pores with moisturizing body serum packed with encapsulated retinol and a blend of AHAs for soft touch skin. It moisturizes, exfoliates, and smooths. And yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I need it to smooth under here. Oh, I did! You can kind of see it right here. So we're just gonna put this on to smooth it out. And for my back, I'll put it on like lotion. You can kind of see the texture. Okay, and that's how I use topicals in my skincare routine. Filled in my brows because I have some sense. Here is the final skin routine. Oh, the skin results, not routine. Get into it, yeah. Like, hello? Hello? Hold on, somebody else calling me real quick. Hello? Yeah, we ate that. Thank you, bye.